What's going on, everybody? I'm Coach Gary. Welcome to G Daddy Media. How are you guys doing today? Today I have me? I'm doing outstanding. I can't complain. Thanks for asking. Now in this video, I'm going to be showing you the steps for cranking a trimmer. The trimmer of choice is my Craftsman 25cc 2-cycle engine trimmer. Now I was motivated to do this video because I was looking through videos on YouTube and I saw a young man that went through the steps for cranking a trimmer, but he left out a step, all right? And so I had to do it. I had to come on and show people the proper way to do it because I was just wondering, are there really 60-some thousand people out there who are cranking and running their trimmer the wrong way? Now, in the video that motivated me to do this, his trimmer is a little bit different than mine. I think his is a WC210 2-cycle engine, but if you pay attention to the video, you'll see that there are 3 positions on his trimmer, just like there are on mine, and he only goes through 2 of them. I just think he forgot the last step. So I'm going to show you guys the entire process for cranking the trimmer, the manufacturer's process, and we're going to do that right now. The instructions for cranking this trimmer are printed on the side right here. Now I want to go through this really quick so we can identify some of the parts that are mentioned so you'll be aware of where they are. The primer bulb is usually located at the back of the trimmer, right over top of the carburetor. And here it is. You're supposed to press this 10 times. Step 2 says move the lever to position 1. Here's the lever and here's position 1. Here's your throttle. It's usually locked in place until you mash this down and then pull this at the same time. Step 4 says pull 5 times, and it's talking about this pull string right here. Step 5, move lever to position 2. Here's position 2, so you'll be moving your lever here. Step number 6, pull 3 to 5 times to start your engine. It may take more than that, but pull until your engine starts. Then step number 7 says wait 30 seconds and then move lever to position number 3. Here's position 3. Once you move it to position 3, you're ready to cut. This position should allow your trimmer to idle by itself and you should be able to get full throttle. This is the first time I've cranked this trimmer since last season, so it may take a little bit longer, but I'm sure and I'm positive that if I use these instructions, I'll get it done. So here we go. All right, step number 1, make sure you prime this bulb 10 times, match this bulb 10 times. Right, make sure that the lever is in position number 1. Then hold down your throttle and you're going to pull this about 5 times. All right, or until it cranks. Then it says move to position number 2. Hold down your throttle. Slide to position number 3. And you're ready to go. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that's all there is to it. Do me a favor, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.